Hi, and welcome to nsquared. Today I'm joined by Stefano. Welcome, Stefano.
Hello.
We're talking about the new mixed reality training course that we're launching in November. So I guess the first question to ask is, what is mixed reality?
So mixed reality is this emerging technology that encompasses devices such as the Microsoft HoloLenses or the Microsoft Immersive Reality headset. Once you wear those headsets, you realize the potential of intersecting digital content with the real world. Also, one of the great features of this headset is that you don't need any outside tracking. The devices itself track itself inside out.
That's cool, because this now means that the device sees the world around it and lets you, so even if it's a completely immersive device like the new headsets, they are tracking the world that you're in. They know whether you're standing up or sitting down. Exactly. They know your height. They can see some of the things that are around you, and you can then interact within the virtual world but be in the real world space. Exactly. And of course HoloLens is that premium experience where you actually see the real world at the same time as overlaying it with holograms that are coming from the virtual world.
Precisely.
One of the great things about this training course is that people are going to get a headset and controllers to take away with them as part of the training course, yes. Which is cool. What else are they going to get as part of the training? So they're going to learn stuff. What are they going to learn?
Yes, so we are going to go through every single step that is necessary for building and deploying your mixed reality application. We will start with basic scene in Unity, all the way up to deploying. While we build our scene or a little project, we will go through the API that Microsoft provides to leverage all the key features of these devices.
Cool.
Like speech recognition, for example.
So that's awesome. So they're going to learn to build in 2 days, functionally build their first MR application, deploy it to a headset, put the headset on, see the application running.
Hands-on, yes.
Awesome. And also we're going to talk a little bit about design as well. So we're going to have a conversation around how to design your application, both in terms of the story that you're telling, but also the assets that you're building within this training course.
Yes, it's important that while you develop your application, you take care of following principles of design that will help your application to run smoothly on every device.
Awesome. And then I guess the next question people might ask is, what do they need to know in order to come? What's the prerequisite knowledge in order to come to this course?
Well, a basic knowledge of pretty much any net coding language is good. The course is going to be focused on C#. You don't need to have really any, if little, experience with Unity. We'll go through the whole setup and explain how the engine works. From the very basis, even Visual Studio will go through all the steps in Visual Studio to debug and deploy. So awesome. In terms of hardware and software, we will provide everything. And as you mentioned earlier, yes, you do get to take home one of the headsets with a pair of controllers.
If I've already built an application for Oculus or Vive and I've already got a Unity app up and running for one of those devices, what am I going to get out of this course?
We will go through ways to compile the code to work across multiple headsets. So we'll go through the whole setup and make sure that if you have an application that already supports one of the existing headsets in commerce in the market, you will be able to support the mixed reality headset as well without sacrificing any of the old code.
And there's a couple of really cool things that we're doing as part of this course. The first one is that they're going to do a hack, or they can optionally do a hack at the end of the first day, so we can go into the evening and hack on into the application that we're building.
Yes, the trainers will be around at the end of the first day as well. After the course, if you guys want to stay back and have a have fun coding around and try to work around what you've learned, we will be there to assist you and explain things further if you need to.
Awesome. And then at the end of the second day, we're going to go and get an opportunity to try a whole range of different headsets, right? So we're going to have an opportunity to try HoloLens, and also a number of headsets from the OEMs will be available for everyone to have a go, so you can see what the differences are and how they all feel.
Yes, exactly. We'll definitely give the opportunity to try the HoloLenses and a few other headsets so that you can see what the range of mixed reality involves.
That's fantastic. Well, thanks for joining me, and I
Thank you, Dr. Rudin.
I look forward to the course.
Yes, me too.
If you're interested in coming to this course, you need to go to teachmemr.com. Very easy to remember URL. We'll put it along the bottom as well. Thanks for watching.
Thank you.